We're here at Rocky Top Mountain Coaster in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, which is the largest alpine mountain coaster in all of East Tennessee. So, let's see what it's all about. All right, we're on the Rocky Top coaster and we're getting ready to go up the hill. Here we go. Now on these initial parts here, so just going up the hill, you don't have to touch anything. I have my hands completely off the levers and it just takes you completely to the top without any effort on your part. It's just a nice, relaxing trip. So that was a spectacular mountain coaster, and I've ridden a lot of mountain coasters here in the Great Smoky Mountains area, and that may be one of my new favorites, to be honest with you. It is the longest mountain coaster in all of East Tennessee, so that is a record that it holds, and the only mountain coaster that has 4 lifts in all of North America. So if you're out here in Pigeon Forge, I highly recommend the Rocky Top Mountain Coaster. And if you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button, and we would be honored if you would subscribe to our channel so that you can join us on the next adventure on Every Day is Saturday.